What is up, folks? I'm here in Smartsville, California at my friend Richard's house. Dude lives on 100 acres, but we're not gonna spend that much time here. We're packing up the car. We have 4 days to be out on the road, camping, being in nature. We're gonna spend a couple nights in a trailer. We're gonna check out Burney Falls. We're gonna check out Lassen Volcanic National Forest. We're gonna be checking out volcanoes and waterfalls. We're gonna be staying in a trailer. We're gonna be camping on a lake. It's gonna be a pretty adventurous time. I think it's a 3-hour drive. Let's get on the road. It's already late. Here we go.
All right, let's break into my trailer.
We made it to the Hat Creek RV park, but as it turns out, Richard forgot the keys to the trailer. We're gonna have to break in because that's where we're staying tonight and tomorrow night. We'll see how this goes.
So I left this door unlocked and we're gonna crawl through that. I left this off.
What is that?
Just a screen so nobody does what I'm about to do. Welcome home.
That was way easier than I thought.
Yeah. All right, now we got in. This is a no hookup site, which means
no hooking up.
There's no power or water and no hooking up. Stephanie would be real happy to hear that. Come on in. That'll be your bed over there.
Which one on top?
You're sleeping over there. Yes, that is the guest bedroom.
You could rent this out for like $500 a night on Airbnb. So folks, this is my space up here where I'll be staying for the night. Beautiful. All right, so the trailer is currently in a non-hookup site and we're getting it moved right now to be in a hookup site, which means we'll have electricity and water. There it goes. That's where we're staying tonight. All right, trailer's moved. We're all situated. We got electricity, we have gas, but we are about to cook dinner over a charcoal grill. We got some steaks, we got some corn, some onions, some tomatoes. It's gonna be good. We have the vegetables going on the fire. We're losing light here, so I'm gonna call it a night with recording. We'll tell you how it went tomorrow. I'd like to show you, but I'll have to tell you because we're losing light quick and we're not quite there. It's almost 11 o'clock. We're in the trailer and we're gonna call it a night. Tomorrow we're gonna head up to Burney Falls, check out the waterfalls, do some hiking out that way, and it'll be another great day. Here, let me show you my little sleeping arrangement in the trailer for tonight. I put my sleeping bag up on the mattress and I'll show you how it looks. There you have it. This is trailer life. All new to me. Never really spent too much time in a trailer. A couple nights of this and then a couple nights of tents. See how it goes.
Good morning. Sleeping in the trailer was awesome. Super comfortable. We're getting up now. Probably cook some breakfast. and we're gonna go check out Burney Falls.
Got a little instant coffee. I like a lot of creamer. All right. Little shot of Splenda. All right, we're all packed up, organized, ready to go check out Burney Falls. Let's do it. All right, we're here at Burney Falls State Park. We hear the waterfalls. It's actually only 75 feet from where the parking lot is to get to the Burney Falls overlook. So
we're already sweating. We're gonna get lunch soon, and
so we brought all our gear for a 75-foot walk. So we're gonna go check out the overlook. Burney Falls is supposed to be beautiful and amazing, and then we're gonna do the loop trail, which I think is a couple miles. Falls overlook. Oh, sorry, it's 150 feet from where we are.
Should we try to get closer to the entrance? That way we don't walk as far?
Should we move the car to the closer spot? Kind of a hot day today, but just getting a little bit closer to the falls and you can feel the cold mist. It's super refreshing. We're doing the Falls Loop Trail, and we're having a little bit of an incline. It's not bad. There's steps. It's pretty easy. It is getting hot, but so far, it's a fairly simple trail. Lots of beautiful views. It's awesome.
It's a go! Rim trail is open!
We finished the Falls Loop Trail. Now we're going through the parking lot and we're gonna go find the Rim Trail and hike that to Britton Lake. And then the plan is to take the Burney Trail back. Maybe we'll jump in the lake. Maybe we'll just admire the lake. We'll have to get there first and then figure it out. There's a really interesting clicking noise in all of the trees, and I'm not sure if it's cicadas or if it's a bark beetle. I'll stop to see if you can hear it. We'll keep going. It's super trippy. To Britton Lake. I just dived in a few minutes ago. Richard was in the lake earlier. This is a cool little spot. There's lots of families with kids hanging out. It's a little swimming area. The hike from Burney Falls was super easy. It was just a 1 mile trail, mostly downhill. This is a great spot. I'm really enjoying it. All right, we'll see you back up on the trail. Back on the Falls Loop Trail. We finished the Burney Trail and we're heading back towards the Burney Falls. You can probably hear in the background how loud the waterfall is. I'm excited because we're gonna get another burst of that refreshing waterfall mist. All right, I don't know how long I'm gonna be back here, so let's do the Burney Falls plunge. Only like 1 second. Yeah, that's all I got. What is up? It was a great day today at Burney Falls. Man, at the end there, after doing that rim trail, I just saw those falls and I was like, when is the next time I'm gonna be here? So I decided I had to take the plunge into the crushing cold water of the Burney Falls. And it was totally worth it. I highly recommend if you come here, jump in the water. You won't regret it. You might regret it, but probably you won't regret it. It's definitely nice to take a week off of work and to be up here right after the Memorial Day weekend. There's really nobody here. One of the best things about doing the rim trail today was that there was like nobody on the trail. It felt very spacious at Burney Falls today. And I had seen other YouTube videos where it looked pretty crowded, and the ranger actually said that yesterday it was swamped with people. So very cool to go the day after Memorial Day when most of the crowds have dissipated. So now we're back here at the Hat Creek RV Resort. It's awesome here. All the cooking is being done inside the trailer. That's the thing about staying in a trailer, not something I've really ever done. All the cooking can happen inside. You're hooked up to water, you're hooked up to gas, you're hooked up to electricity. So it's kind of like glamping. Tomorrow, we're heading down to Lake Almanor and we'll be doing 2 nights of tent camping. So stick around for Lake Almanor and everything that goes on down there. It's quite possible that there might be a part 2 video. We'll see how the editing goes. I may have to separate Burney Falls, Hat Creek, and Lake Almanor into separate videos. So we still have a lot going on. Gonna have a meal, gonna sit by a campfire tonight. It's really nice out here. It's not too cold. It'll get a little cooler, but it's not too cold. Not a lot of mosquitoes. It's just a really wonderful night at the Hat Creek RV Resort. All right, we'll see you later.